Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Okay, so in this video we have 3 ways that we will be trimming our hair, and I will get into the reasons on why I use each one of these methods as the video goes on. So if you're interested, just keep on watching and let's get started. Okay, so you're definitely going to want to get some hair cutting scissors. You don't want to use any kind of scissors to cut your hair because it can cause more damage than good. The hair shears I'm using are the Goody brand that you can get from Walmart for less than $5. Okay, so starting off, I'm going to go ahead and section off my hair. It's always easier to work in sections, so that's what I'm doing here. And this is what my hair looks like before I start trimming. It's not that bad. My ends are not too see-through, but I do see where I need to trim. And that's what I like to start off first, is examining my hair to see where I need to trim. Now I'm taking smaller sections of my hair so that I can begin the trim treatment. Looking at this section, I can see exactly where I need to trim, so I'm going to go ahead and snip away. After that first snip, I do go in and do the search and destroy method. This method is exactly how it sounds. You're going in and searching for single strand knots, any split ends that you may have missed, and you're just snipping away. This is allowing you to retain as much length as possible by not just cutting off half your hair trying to reach all of those single strand knots or split ends that may have worked its way up a little bit further up your hair. And yes, this is time consuming, but it's worth it. Trust me, I've been doing this for years and I've seen a huge difference in the overall health of my hair. Okay, and for this last method, you want your hair to be under your pointer finger, over your middle finger, and under your ring finger as you're gliding down the hair shaft and you're cutting the very tip of your hair. You can see the split ends and the single strand knots popping up, and you just want to get rid of everything that you see at this point. And this is what this section is looking like. And I just continue to grab small sections and complete these 3 steps over and over again for each section. Here you can see a lot of single strand knots and split ends, and once I'm done with my treatment, they're all taken care of and my hair is left smooth and a lot more manageable and also shinier. Okay, so just a few tips to look out for. So normally hair is in good condition when it's the same thickness from top to bottom, and depending on the way you have your hair cut can play a huge part in that, but overall you don't want your ends to be see-through. So keeping up with your trends are very important. That way you are keeping up with the overall health of your hair. See-through ends can indicate unhealthy ends, and it also can mean that it's time for a trim. Another tip to keep in mind is that split ends do travel. So if you see that you are experiencing a lot of split ends, your hair seems to be dry, or it doesn't seem to detangle as easy, you might want to go ahead and address that as soon as possible. That way your split ends don't continue to travel up your hair shaft, causing more breakage than you want. When I first started this hair cutting treatment, I had so many split ends, but ever since I've been doing this and keeping up with it at least twice a year, it has helped me dramatically with my split ends and my single strand knots. Every time I'm cutting my hair, I find myself cutting less and less single strand knots out. I actually have to really look for them now, and before they were just everywhere. Overall, this takes probably about 2 hours to complete my entire head, but like I said, it's definitely worth it. You're retaining a lot of length, but you're also tackling those split ends and single strand knots, and you're left with a really nice shape afterwards as well. Sometimes you just can't take shortcuts. Also, check out my twist and trim video. That one is a lot easier, and that's what I do in between these trims, and that helps me maintain the health of my ends as well. I will definitely leave the link in the description box. Okay, and this is one section complete. As you can see, my hair is full from top to bottom, and everything is a lot smoother. I am always happy with the results when I'm done doing this hair trim treatment. And the reason why I call it a treatment is because it's something that I feel like you can get away with doing only 2 times a year, and you get amazing results. And in between, just keep up with your regular trims and you will see your hair flourish. And here is some before and after. One side is complete, and this is the side that I have not worked on yet. Thank you for watching, and please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what else you want to see from me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!